What is up guys, this is Karan here. Welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. If you also want this kind of Maclaren OnePlus Maclaren edition boot animation on your device, any device which has the support of these kind of things, and you know how to install these kind of boot animations, you can install this right away. How to install that, the link for this file is in the description. If you watched my previous video regarding how to install OnePlus boot animation, you already got to know that how you can install these kind of boot animations on a device. This is a Maclaren edition boot animation right now, which you can use on almost any of your Android device. How to do that? Let's get started. Okay guys, for this you just need to follow my previous video. I'll tell you once again how to do that. You just need a root file manager. You can use the ES file explorer, you can use the Me Explorer, Solid Explorer, Root Explorer, or any of the file manager which has the root access or root directory available. So right now I am in my root directory, where we have to go right now onto the system this time. Wait, let me show you by going to system. Here you will see the folder media. Here you have to go to the media folder. Here the boot animation.zip available there. What you need to do is you need to just make a backup of this if you want to. Like in my case, I have already backed up. Let me show you by going in. I already have made a backup of my boot animation. Now what I have to do is, let me tell you once, I have this Maclaren edition boot animation.zip file here. What I need to do is just click here, and then I need to copy from here. Then I need to go to the system media once, as I already told you. Now we have to paste this file here like this, and after that what we need to do is we need to uninstall this file from here like this, and now we have to click here. We have to rename the file to boot animation. So just remove the Maclaren from here. I will try to provide you the full file with boot animation.zip, but Maclaren boot animation, so that you will get an idea that this is a Maclaren boot animation. Click on OK. It's done. Now the thing which we need to focus is on the permissions. Right now it's at RWRR. I'm using Me Explorer. If you also use a Me Explorer, you will see RWRR permission there, but if you're using any other file manager, maybe you need to write the permissions by going here. You can simply go to the properties. You will see the permissions here. I have the 644 permissions already, or else you have to grant these permissions on your own if you are using any other file manager. Okay, so after doing all these things, what you need to do is, everything is done. We already had a backup. Just reboot your device and then it will be done. This was quite easy to install this OnePlus Maclaren boot animation. I have already shown you how that Maclaren boot animation will look like. I hope you got an idea. I hope you got to know about this latest Maclaren edition OnePlus boot animation. This was all from today's video. This was from this short and simple video. I think you liked it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.